Amada Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Amada is one of our favorite machines always to buy. They have a real cult following, some of the best customer service, some of the most accurate machines you can buy, and we're always looking for them as well. So if you have some to buy, sell, or trade, if you're looking to buy something bigger or go into something different, you'll see we have a lot of different Amadas in stock. Here you can see the NC9EX2 controller. This is probably their most popular controller of all time. Everything's working really well. All the buttons are all nice and clean on this. I don't know if we've even replaced that. We go through these machines, make sure they're all working, functional. You can see here's an up-acting press brake, meaning it's going to go from below. There's our back gauge, it's going to move into position. Now with an up-acting press brake, it's going to give you a lot of accuracy, also make it nice and safe. As soon as you take your foot off the pedal, it instantly drops down. With a ram or a mechanical, you're going to have to be coming down, and the ram's a little bit of an issue having to come down to the bottom. So you can see really easy to use. After each cycle here, it shows you where you're at, moves to the next step, back to step 1, back gauge back to 2.9 inches. That's going to move back and forth. You can put your program, put your part, and repeat, make it over and over and over. You can see we have a lot of different Amada press brakes in stock as well. RG-80s, RG-100s. That's the different sizes of what they come in. We go through everything, check out all the different air hoses and fingers on the back, so all the different options are going to be working for you, and make sure they're exactly what you're looking for. Now if you like Amada and you want to see another Amada, we have tons of Amada machines. Something like this doesn't get much better than this. Amada 45-ton, beautiful, beautiful machine. Unless you look at this one, 60-ton punch press. How about an Amada die grinder for your Pega machine? As you can see, if you like Amada, we have all of them. Let us know what you're looking for, how we can find the right machine for you. You want to trade up, trade for new, used. We love machines. Eat, sleep, machine. It's our slogan. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website for financing options, all this inventory and more at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.